Hey beautiful people! Today I'm sharing my top secrets for giving yourself an amazing at-home facial to revive dull summer skin. You don't need to splurge on expensive spa treatments. Let's get that summer glow right at home. First up, let's start with a gentle exfoliation. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a teaspoon of brown sugar. Gently scrub your face in circular motions. This will slough off dead skin cells and leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Next, it's time for a DIY mask. Mash up half an avocado and mix in a tablespoon of plain yogurt. The avocado is super hydrating, and the yogurt helps to soothe sunburned or irritated skin. Apply the mask evenly on your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes. While you wait, sit back and relax. Maybe sip on some iced tea. Once the time's up, rinse off the mask with cool water. Now let's tone. Rose water is a fantastic natural toner that helps to balance your skin's pH. Simply spritz it on your face or apply it with a cotton pad. Not only does it smell divine, but it also tightens pores and refreshes your skin instantly. Finally, never skip moisturizing. Use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without feeling greasy. And don't forget the sunscreen. And there you have it. Your perfect at-home facial routine for glowing summer skin. Try it out and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. If you loved these tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty secrets. Stay radiant, and I'll see you next time.